Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get promo code for Carry1st shop. So first step, you simply need to search promo code for Carry1st shop. So let me search in Google. So type here Google, search here promo code for Carry1st shop, and you need to open any website. So I'm going to open the first one and wait for a few seconds so that a verification is complete. Okay, and now you can see different codes here. Let's suppose I want to use this, so you simply need to copy that. Okay, and then you simply need to go onto the website or app and you can use that code. So this is a process that you need to follow to get promo code for Carry1st shop. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.